What up, tubers? This is Radio Geek, Rayware Computers since 1996. rwcweb.com. You go to rwcweb.com, put your email in this box right here, and I shall send you oodles and oodles of great free stuff. Okay, what I wanted to talk to you about today is simple bridge page. Simple bridge page. Now I found this page. I got led to this page by what they call clickbait. Okay. I saw this politician's picture come up on YouTube with this brain next to it, with this picture of a brain. Now it's really not legal to use celebrities and other politicians as such, for these types of advertisements. Okay. Of course, without the permission, like a lot of times you'll see Shark Tank guys come up on a lot of things. Okay. But I got curious and I clicked on it, and their clickbait worked on me, although I don't really need any kind of brain enhancing supplements. Okay. But this is the structure of their bridge page. And it's very effective. Let me show you this.
They want to take you into a kind of secret society, a hidden
It seems pretty real. Now, what they did was they made a YouTube channel
by some very successful Americans.
Okay.
We discovered sales of a little
now,
pill.
You could see it's in 2016. Okay. How they got so many subscribers is beyond me. But obviously they're doing a lot of advertising. Of course, they've been around for a long time, so that's a big part of it. But you see, it's just a basic YouTube page. Okay. I don't want to spend too much time on it, but these are like testimonials about the product. Okay. Now, basically, they put information. It doesn't look like they really copied and pasted anything directly, because this is the product. Okay, it looks like a pretty great website. All right, now this, of course, is the sales page. Okay, very beautiful graphics. Okay, explaining this thing. What this does for your mind, and I guess enhances your body and lifestyle. Okay, now a lot of times, and we all use them, like these types of images is usually a fake image, okay, that they get. You see, it's just a stock image that they used for the testimonials. So testimonials are usually fake, big discovery, right? Everybody knows that pretty much. But honestly, I don't think people really consciously care about the testimonials. Now, this is some kind of feed, it looks like they put here to make the page look legit, like a legit blog. Okay, if I go here, up on the top here, and just go right directly to the URL, the domain, there's nothing there. It's got a blank index. Okay, now it's very clever because you could use this. This is okay if they're doing this Neuro Times. You could sell all kinds of things. If you look up here, I don't want to get too crazy and hack into their stuff here. Let's see. See, like these subfolders, forbidden. Okay, so basically to make it a big long URL like that, just to circumvent people from searching through it. Okay. Now, there's a lot of techniques that they use here. You make it look like a type of news blog, such as these images. Okay. It tells you about it. What they do is you always want to solve a problem, but this is like It's supposed to be like breaking news. You know, when I saw that politician, it looked like he had something wrong with his brain. And again, they're really not allowed to use politicians and celebrities in images unless you have their permission, or unless it's a legitimate, journalism. You know, this isn't real journalism, but it's made to look like journalism. Okay, we tested it ourselves. That's kind of funny. Is it all hype? Okay, so there's this thing called aggravating the problem. You know, where they talk bad about it a little bit. Okay, my results. Well, who the heck are you? Who are you? My results. Who are you? Are you telling me who you are? This is Neurotimes telling me that they actually tested this stuff on themselves. Okay, and they always make it look, you see, like breaking news. Okay, and it's, believe me, it sells. It really does. So now, these things here, these are other, it looks like, should be able to click on this somewhere. Look like some kind of widget that they put in here. Okay, from the stock market, and make it look legit. They're thinking that, because of the way they're advertising, that business people and college students might be, doing this. So let's check out some of the links. Okay. All right, so that's an affiliate link there, obviously. And when you hear the term multiple streams of income, this is where it originated from. Because on this page, even though they're focusing on this, if people get sidetracked with these things, okay, they're more than here it goes here. Okay, Trading View. So that's a widget. Okay, they're more than likely really not going to click on these, but if they're not like somebody like me, I pick it apart. But what they're trying to do is they're trying to utilize the space. I probably would have put a couple more in here, because this bridge page is pretty long. Okay, we know the testimonials are fake. Google's got this new lens thing where you could search an image. Okay, so this is Mighty Dog Roofing. Okay, so this image is like a stock image, and you know what? That's okay, because I don't think people really. This is more or less a subconscious visual on here. Like the scissors showing you it's a limited time offer. Clip your coupon now. This is going to go away. So this is probably software that's put in here, just like this is put in here. Okay. They'll put the HTML to show today's date, and then the after, and this other text here is just there. Okay, not much, although I don't really recommend doing it like this. But, they're obviously doing a lot of mega marketing on this. And that's basically really all you have to do. I mean, that's affiliate marketing right there. Because what's going to happen is, see, all these links, they're going to go to the product. It's all going to be on the same product. Okay, copy link address. I don't want to make this video too long. Paste, there we go there, copy link address. Alright, so and it does seem like it's deceiving, but really, like I say, people make this look like a Google ad. And that's probably going to go to the product. Yeah, it goes right to the product. And it's a slamming sales page right here. It's an awesome, awesome sales page. Okay. And, it's great because they got, this is a new thing now on your sales page. You're going to take them right to the checkout without having to click extra to go to the checkout. Okay. So, I highly recommend you're setting up a bridge page. This is a great way. This neurotimes.org. Okay. Let's go there and see. And it's probably dirt cheap. to get a name like that, you know. Okay, creation date. So it's a very new site. And they didn't waste any time, man. They put it up. Okay, they probably paid, I'll bet you they paid like $10 for that domain name. Okay, a couple of pictures, some information. You could either rewrite the information that you see on this site here, and you read through it, you learn about it, and then you tell it like a story on your bridge page. Okay, as far as BSing about using, I wouldn't use a celebrity's picture on it. Okay, this is an image, of course. And it looks like it's most likely fake, but it looks like they just grabbed some images from a real news site. And I've seen bridge pages set up exactly like these, the way these look right here. Okay, it might be on these pages. That one video with the CNN or whatever it was, that looked pretty legit. You know, the video testimonial that they got here. As far as this.
We want to take you into a kind of secret
obviously they couldn't get her.
society, a hidden edge discovered by some very successful Americans.
Yeah.
We discovered sales of a little pill are not just booming. We have traced a 74% increase in these sales in 4 years. So what is it? Does it work? And what is the risk? Here's ABC's Dan Harris.
They are all around us, a secret society of the successful. The lobbyist who wakes up at 5 for 2.
Okay, so that it looks like a legitimate product because it was definitely on the news. That looks really old. All right, and you know, basically this is how you do it, though. Okay, and again, they put all their links to the product. People don't really care. People don't read that stuff. Whoever's going to come here and looking for these brain-enhancing drugs, they're going to most likely click right away before they even get down here. Okay, so that's how you do your bridge page. The key to it, you know, and even that, compared to this sales page, this page looks primitive. And it's just a bridge. It's just a bridge. You want to get people from here, from your advertisement to here. The key is in the advertisement, where you put this on YouTube, Facebook, okay, and then it comes here, and then you want to get them to here, of course, that's the bottom line. Okay, now it's probably going to show a bunch of clicks on his analytics, but, you know, I am the old DOS geek. Very impressive, though. Very impressive the way he did this. And you know, you could do it too. It's really very easy. And again, depending on, all right, let's see how much this costs. Oh, we gotta fill everything out. You're not telling me the price. Excuse me. All right, you're getting a free trial with this. So I don't know. I'd have to look it up. So it could be pretty expensive. So they're probably going to get a pretty good commission on it. Okay, so if you figure, you know, you want to spend $1,000 on advertisement and you can make a bunch of sales, go for it. All right, so this is Ray, the old DOS geek, rwcweb.com. I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe. Hey, because that's what YouTube tells me to tell you. Take care.